There's only one place where you should be filing your Form 2290. Let me tell you why ExpressTruckTax is the best place to file your 2290. The number one reason to file with ExpressTruckTax is our incredible pricing. For just $14.95, you'll be able to file your Form 2290, make corrections, have your Schedule 1 sent to your company, and get access to our live customer support team. Which is the second reason why you should file with us. Our 100% US-based customer support team is here to help you. They can be reached for any questions you might have by phone, chat, or email. They're here in our Rock Hill, South Carolina office Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5:30. Reason 3. The great thing about e-filing with ExpressTruckTax is that the IRS typically processes returns in a matter of minutes, so you'll have your Schedule 1 back quickly. You won't have to wait for weeks or months like you do when paper filing. Lastly, if you file with us this summer and choose to pay your HVUT tax by check or money order, you'll be able to pay anytime before August 31st, 2022. That means it's easier to save up your tax amount and pay at the best time for you. And now you know why to file with ExpressTruckTax. All you need to do is go to expresstrucktax.com today.